This is another lesson for putting on piles. In this lesson, we will tackle other examples or another example in which we determine the thickness of the puting. So, itatakil natin yung mas advanced na shear checks. Shear, no? Para sa puting pile caps. Now, in this example, meron akong column that supports a load P at yung P na yon is comprised of a dead load and a live load. It is supported by a pile cap on piles, 4 na pile. Okay? Yung bawat pile ko will have a diameter of 300 millimeters. Yung column ko nga pala, 500 by 500 millimeters. Now, for this example, gusto kong malaman kung yung 850 ba na thickness ng pile cap is okay na para dito sa loads na bubuhatin niya. Yung DB natin, 20 mm. So first, ang gagawin ko is i-check ko muna yung two-way or punching shear. So para sa two-way or punching shear, ang kanyang capacity at saka ang kanyang VU, i-compare natin. Now to compare that, saan ba ang critical area? So sa two-way shear, the critical area would be at a distance D/2 from the face of the column. Now, how do we determine yung D? Yung D natin, kailangan, yan yung average depth. So, that would be yung thickness minus yung pile embedment minus the concrete cover minus yung DB. That is the average depth. So, the average depth natin, that would be 605 millimeters. Okay? So now, makompute natin yung kanyang pile capacity. That is phi times 1/3 or square root or 0.33 square root of FC prime B sub O times D. Computein natin yung capacity ng concrete natin sa two-way shear. This is 0.75 over 3 square root ng 21. Ayun yung 21 given sa taas. And then B sub O is the perimeter of the critical section. Yung critical section natin would be at a distance D/2 from both sides. So that is 4 times ng column size plus yung depth. And then times the depth, 0.605, pero naka-times dapat ng 1,000 para ma-convert into kilonewtons. So yung capacity natin para sa two-way shear in kilonewtons, that would be 3,063.57 kilonewtons. So, ito ang ating two-way shear capacity. Now, what would be the two-way shear force na i-consider? So, again, kukunin mo yung section na to, ating critical section, at makikita mo, isang force lang ang mag-a-act dyan. Wala siyang pile sa ilalim, so isang force lang ang mag-a-act sa kanya, which is yung P. Or in this case, dahil concrete to, yung P sub U, which is the ultimate load, P sub U. Yan yung i-carry para makuha mo yung B sub U. So yung B sub U mo, that would be equal sa P sub U. So that is 1.2 times ng 300 plus 1.6 times ng 700. And yung B sub U mo is therefore 1,480 kilonewtons. And as you can see, yung VU natin, this is less dun sa PBN. Therefore, safe siya sa two-way shear. Yung punching or two-way shear, okay tong 850 mm na thickness na pinrovide. Next, check naman natin yung one-way shear. So, one-way, also known as the wide beam shear, ang magiging critical section niya, okay? Ang magiging critical section niya, pag ganon, or pwedeng pa X direction, ganyan. At a distance D from the support. So, ang gagawin ko, kunin ko muna tong figure para magamit natin doon sa kabilang page. Yung figure. So, as you can see, ang magiging critical section yan, let's take this one. This is at a distance D from the face of the column. At yung D na gagamitin natin dito, iba na doon sa two-way shear. So, kung kanina, average D, ang gagamitin ko dito, yung mas maliit na D. Since square naman yung puting, mas conservative, gamitin mo yung mas maliit na D. Okay? Minus 20 minus 20 over 2. So, same lang yung process nito sa sa design ng isolated puting. Okay? Now, yung D natin, that would be 595 millimeters. Now, kapag in-investigate mo to, ang mangyayari is that etong distance na to, papatong siya, yung critical section, papatong siya doon sa pile. Hindi niya mako-cover yung buong pile or hindi siya hindi aabot sa pile, but rather, nandoon siya mismo sa pile, yung critical section. Pag sinukat mo yan, ito yung mga sukat na mangyayari, no? So, i-drawing ko muna ng magkatabi lang muna siguro. So, nandito yung, i-drawing ko lang ng ganito. Sige, baba natin. Sukatin natin. So, yung center to center distance nito, that would be 900. Kasi 1/8 yung spacing na to. So, this would be 900. Okay? Now, syempre, 250 to dahil 500 by 500. Ito naman, 150. Ibig sabihin, yung spacing na to hanggang sa edge, that would be 500. Okay? Yung critical section natin, 595. So, sobra siya dapat ng 95 dito. 95. In other words, mahagip yung pile natin. Ito yung area na mahagip. So, kung ito yung pile, may mahagip na area, 95 to, at kung 300 yung diameter ng file, of course, this would be 205. Yan. So, anong gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin, i-modify natin yung R sub U ng pile. So, by the way, alam natin na yung P sub U is 1,480 kilonewtons. So, kada pile, di-divide mo lang ng 4 to, kada pile, we have 370 kilonewtons. Kada pile. Now, itong section na to, dalawang pile yung dadaanan. So, ibig sabihin yung VU dyan, twice nung RU sana. Kaso, so, di ba yung VU dyan, that would be twice ng RU. Kaso, hindi yung buong pile yung, hindi yung buong pile yung L-bulb. Ito lang area na to. So, paano natin yan ipoproportion? Ang simpleng gagawin lang natin is, we multiply this by yung 205 divided by yung diameter ng pile na 300. So, okay? Again, dalawang pile yung dinaanan ng critical section. So, kaya dalawa times yung reaction ng pile, yung ultimate load ng bawat pile. And then, we modify it by multiplying it by 205 over 300. Saan siya galing? 205 lang out of the whole diameter na 300 yung pasok or nadaanan doon. Okay? So, ngayon, yung VU natin, yung critical shear natin, that would be 505.67. Now, para naman malaman yung VBN, so again, yung VU natin, 505.67 kilonewtons. At yung VBN para sa one-way shear, this would be phi times 1 over 6 is square root of F prime C BW times D. So, computein natin yung capacity para sa one-way shear para ma-check natin kung okay ba siya. Yung BW natin, that would be 2,400 or 2.4 meters yung width ng critical section. 2.4. At yung depth natin, that would be 595 or 0.595. And then, multiply by 1,000 para maging kilonewtons. Kakalculator lang natin to saglit para makuha yung value ng capacity niya sa one-way shear. So, yung capacity niya for one-way shear is 776.75 kilonewtons. This is greater than VU, therefore, this is safe. Okay? So, sa lesson na to, nag-example lang ako on how to check kung okay yung thickness ng pile cap natin. And in particular, yung iba dito sa lesson na to is kapag yung dinaanan ng critical section sa one-way shear is hindi yung, or nadaanan yung pile. So, ganito yung gagawin, no? Nadaanan yung pile, critical part na nadaanan. So, 205 divided by yung diameter ng pile. So, that's it for this lesson. Thank you for listening.
Like mo yung video kung ayos. Pag hindi, pag mo i-dislike, leave ka ng comment kung bakit, ha? Sige na, subscribe.